Hello everyone. In the past, I have made some videos of sizzling crepes, Vietnamese style. This time I come back again to make with brand new recipe, and I invite you to the kitchen with me. It's a popular dish and you want to eat again and again. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you. So I use the made ready flour corn Huong sữa and half of the bucket of crispy powder, 1 egg, 1 can of beer, and 800 grams of coconut milk. Beside that, for the stuffing, I have 1 onion, 1 carrot, half a kilo of pork belly, and shrimps. This time I use river shrimps. They are very tender, and don't forget to get 1 bunch of green onion. Now after I wash my pork and shrimp, I slice the pork and I season with fish sauce, seasoning powder, pepper, and some of the aromatic ingredients, minced garlic, minced shallot, and white parts of green onions. And you season the shrimp the same way, only after you cut off the trim off the top and the bottom. These river shrimp are small in size, but they are packed with flavors and very tender. That's what you want. When I went to the market, I saw them today and I got to buy it. So after you season both pork and shrimp, you can set it apart, and now you have prepare the other ingredients, like you mix the flour. This is a coconut milk. You can find the full recipe in the description box below. I write them down for you there. Or if you prefer to read on the screen, you can stop the machine and read on. So I beat 1 egg, and now I mix with my coconut milk, and now I add the whole bucket of flour. This flour is Vietnamese crepes flour, but they make by Japanese technology, and they mix the turmeric in, so you won't find the bucket of turmeric. But when you mix the flour with the liquid, you can see the yellow hue right there. And when you make your crepes, they will be yellow, the typical color of southern Vietnamese crepes. So I just added the crispy powder. You can use tempura powder. That's what I'm used when I was in the States. Now the secret to make it extra crispy that you use beer. Normally I use soda water if I don't have beer on hand, and you can refer to my other videos to find out what I'm using in the past. Now after all done, you add green onion. You can add a lot more because when you cook it, it will disappear in the a mixture. Now while it's proofing, resting, I use the fish sauce and sugar and coconut water to make fish sauce dip. So in my pot, sugar is there. Now I added fish sauce, and the ratio is 1:1. And now I add 1 coconut water, and I mix and place on heat to get it cooked, to make sure that the sugar is dissolved. You don't need to cook to be thickened. You don't want to the flavor, the aroma disappear when you cook it too long. So I drop in 1 slice of pineapple to get more flavor from it. In the meantime, you use pestle and mortar to pound garlic and chili, and you can add the fish sauce mixture in the pot now, or after they cool down a little bit, and that's it. You have a dipping ready for the crepes. Now let's make the crepes. First, oil the skillet, and then onion, and then shrimp and pork. I forgot to tell you the step that I cook pork and shrimp in advance, just a little cook. You don't need to cook them too long, but you get them ready to go. So after that, I add the mixture, the flour mixture, and then cover, and then open and drop in bean sprouts and coconut shreds, and that's it. And then you watch your heat to make sure the crepes is crispy and not burned. You can see around the edges will start crisp first. You can see when you can slide them like so, they almost done. And you flip it over into halves like so, and you can see the color is perfect, not burnt but yellow golden brown. And I leave it up now for you to see. It's very crispy. It stands on spatula. If it's not crispy, it cannot stand like that. I flipped it over for you to see the edges. It's so crispy. And that's it. They are ready to devour with vegetables and fish sauce dipped with pickles. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.